And go.
Hi, we're going to the beach today.
Is there sand in your shoes already? Oh, nothing. I got it.
Why are you bringing both of them out?
Because they both have, one has water and one has coffee in it. That's why. What's harder than walking on the sand?
Guys, if you want to take off your shoes, put it right there.
No. Ooh, it's so close. Tell us something, Emily. Okay, but wait. Good morning.
In the morning, we were getting it ready. We just got here. It's nice and breezy, and I am very tired, but like I'm not tired. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're just gonna go to the restroom right now. Go to the restroom. We're gonna fix it there. Eat something, I guess.
Yeah. If you haven't ate, I'm fried. Just want to show my big old chanclas. Cause I didn't mind, but
They kind of look like
we're at the beach. Let's see if I can knock that. See, it's not fake. It's not fake. For real, it's not fake. I'm wearing my wet clothes. I'm ready. We're eating right now. We're eating a sandwich. And look, I have juice. Bye. I didn't know you. Ah, it's on.
Mira, el pastor me mandó algo aquí. Quiere que me haga un
Oh my god.
It's coming again! Don't throw, don't throw! I wanna go in already! Let's go. Here we got Lanta and delicious sandwich here. Emily, say hello to the camera. I can't see you. Turn around. Here is Isaac and Esther and Obed. Oh, it is deep. son.
Hello. We're gonna eat chicken. Wait, what happened to the chicken? No, the chicken in here.
Hi guys, I'm gonna be joining you.
Found chicken.
It's gonna be. We're at the beach.
What is that? What is that?
I don't have that filter. How did you get that filter?
That's good. Good look how they do it. I don't know, it doesn't work. I don't know.
Hi everyone. Crazy hair day. We are eating
Chicken.
chicken nuggets.
You guys want to see my pictures?
What picture?
You'll see one.
Whole chicken.
I took the pictures of Esther.
Wow. Beautiful.
And here's another one.
Wow. Beautiful. Oh my god. Lala, stop being dramatic.
And wow.
Not the beautiful.
Oh yeah, guys, we made some garnachas yesterday. Can you see? Look at that. We need to make a video of garnachas here.
I know.
I didn't see it. What bird?
Cold chicken is the best. Oh really? Oh, delete that.
You guys gonna go?
Looks like it.
now.
Go where?
Yes.
I'm going. Look everything up. The later it gets packed.
I can't see nothing, so I'm not sure what I'm doing.
And I do not want to wait 4 hours. Right? Remember that time? Oh my god.
Wanna play?
Play 2?
If you guys want to go, we have to leave now, she said.
And then let's go.
Go where?
No, my Liga. Where do we go? What's right there? What are we back here? Huh? Where we even gonna go? To eat. Well, let's play one more. Like,
One more game, guys.
A little game. Go, puppy.
Papi knows how to play. Boys versus girls. Mother, Emily, Esther, me on the girls team, obviously.
Oh my god.
So much. Okay? Wait, you're not. I want to take it. You're out! Yes! Oh my god. people carrying the table over there?
It was dirty. I was trying to dirty myself.
Oh, just a little shoebox.
Sucked it up inside.
Yep. True. Sunset over there, you can see. That's
So we
sunset.
can literally
Yeah.
see all you see is the stick, huh?
That's how it be, man. It's funny.
Laziness, huh?
I know, man. Lie of the enemy. Okay, let's just pick up the rest of this stuff. Now we're gonna leave.